these are all my sister's soaps. Their company soap and stuff. This is Indonesian teak wood. Some mountains. Some honeysuckle. Today you get to learn the saponification reaction. We're going to make goat milk soap. So in the saponification reaction, we are going from something that is very, very alkaline to something that's only weakly alkaline. So you need to use your pH skills when making this. Here's our building blocks. So we start out with carbon structure, some fatty acids, sodium, and hydroxide. We start here before we make it with a triglyceride, which is the carbon structure and 3 of the fatty acids bound together. That's one molecule called a triglyceride. We added in is oil, so we'll add things like coconut oil and olive oil. Over here you have sodium hydroxide. There are 3 of them. Na is the sodium, OH is the hydroxide. So if we look at the pHs of these, the pH of triglycerides are slightly alkaline, 8.5 to 9, and then the pH of sodium hydroxide, otherwise known as lye, is 14, very, very, very strong. So then we'll mix these and give them a lot of time to sit, and it will produce 3 soap molecules, which is a fatty acid attached to a sodium. So when you wash your hands, because this has a hydrophilic side and a hydrophobic side, it will take the oil off of your hands. So that's soap. It's slightly alkaline, 9 to 10 pH. And you also get a glycerin, which is neutral, and that is the carbon structure with the leftover hydroxides. So that is the saponification reaction. Alright, first ingredient is the triglycerides. So the oils we will use: olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, which needs to be shaved, and we have some fragrance oil. This one we're going to make orange cranberry. Okay, next thing you mix with the triglycerides is the sodium hydroxide. This is very, very alkaline, as you can see, pH 14. It's also called lye. So we've got our gloves and our goggles here to work with it. This is sodium hydroxide. As you can see, wear gloves and goggles. Never add water and avoid moisture. So when you add water, it gets very, very, very hot. And you will see this later. We'll measure the temperature for you. Instead of water, we're going to use these goat milk cubes to dissolve all of this and let the reaction happen.
Goat milk has a lot of sugar, and so it'll burn and kind of turn it orange instead of like a white cream color.
And then we're going to use some colors. So we've got some red here, some spicy tomato for those cranberries. We might add some sea salt, haven't decided yet. And what is titanium dioxide for?
It's the white color.
Oh, in case we want white. Yeah. We're also going to use some of these old soaps that didn't really work out. We're going to chop them up to make different chunks inside and give it some... We'll use our recipe first for the cocoa butter and the coconut oil because they're not in liquid state. So we weighed them out and we're going to microwave them. I'm teaching my sisters that grams are better than ounces. So this is those little messed up chunks of soap, but then we coated them with olive oil and some mica powder. It was just orange. I added a little bit of yellow to make it more orangey orange, citrusy, bright. Okay, this is the microwaved cocoa butter and coconut oil.
It's pretty warm right now.
Can we change it to Celsius?
Sure.
There we go.
And you can see the olive oil and avocado oil are a lot lighter, cooler. So we're gonna mix them together.
Alright, no corona here. Our soap making lunch break. So we got this bowl of ice that we'll put the bowl of goat milk over so that when we are dissolving this lye, the sodium hydroxide, it stays pretty much room temp. Sprinkle the sodium hydroxide, mix it a bit. And then sprinkle more. Mix it a bit more.
It was burning through my socks.
So how did you fix that problem?
I used vinegar.
Push down the chunks that kind of look like sweet potato chunks.
And a little bit of red salt. Adding white on top of red in the chunks.
Then we spray them with alcohol to prevent soda ash on the top. It's like a flaky white thing, which we don't want.